we're going to explain how to sum filtered data in Excel. There are several ways to do this, and we'll cover the most common and efficient methods. Using the subtotal function, this is the most straightforward method for summing filtered data. The subtotal function automatically ignores hidden rows, which are the rows hidden by filtering. The syntax is subtotal function num ref1 ref2, where function num is a number representing the function you want to use, e.g. 9 for sum, and ref1, ref2, etc. are the ranges you want to sum. For example, if your data is in column A from A1 to A100, you would use ix subtotal 9 A1 A100. This formula will always give you the sum of only the visible rows regardless of your filter. Remember to place this formula outside the filtered range in a cell that will not be affected by the filter. Using the aggregate function. The aggregate function provides even more flexibility. It allows you to specify which functions to ignore when calculating the sum, like hidden rows, errors, etc. The syntax is aggregate function num, options, ref1, ref2, where function num is similar to subtotal, 9 for sum, and options lets you specify what to ignore. Only some visible rows. Use option 3, ignore hidden rows. For instance, aggregate 9 for 3 A1 A100 will achieve the same result as the subtotal function in the previous example, but with added control for other scenarios. Creating a pivot table. For more complex scenarios, or if you frequently need to analyze filtered data in different ways, a pivot table is a powerful tool. Pivot table dynamically summarizes data based on your selections. You can filter the data within the pivot table, and the sums will automatically adjust. To create a pivot table, select your data, go to the Insert tab and click Pivot Table. Drag the field containing the values you want to sum to the Values area of the pivot table. Then, use the filter options in the pivot table to select the data you want to sum. Some of the filtered data will be displayed automatically in the pivot table. 4. Using advanced filter with a criteria range. If you need more sophisticated filtering conditions than what the standard filter provides, use the advanced filter feature. This allows you to define criteria in a separate range, and Excel will filter the data based on those criteria. Once the data is filtered, you can easily sum the visible rows using either subtotal or aggregate, as described above. This offers precise control over what data is included in your sum. 5. Data model and Power Pivot, for advanced users. For extremely large datasets or complex filtering requirements, using the data model and Power Pivot features within Excel can significantly improve performance and provide robust analysis capabilities, including summing filtered data efficiently. This requires a more advanced understanding of Excel, but offers superior speed and scalability for data manipulation and analysis.